Welcome to the clubhouse, everybody. Whoa, that sounded like a really loud sneeze. I wonder who's sneezing.
Hi Mario.
Hi Peach. Was that you sneezing?
No, that was Luigi. He went camping and caught a cold.
Oh, poor Luigi.
Oh my goodness. Good going, everybody.
Oh, sorry.
Let this soup to Luigi.
Yum, yum. Smells delicious.
Oh, sorry.
Uh-oh. Sounds like Luigi's cold is getting worse.
Do you see Luigi's tent?
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, there it is. Skate, skate, skate. We made it to Luigi's tent.
Hi Luigi.
Hiya,
My pleasure.
Uh-oh. I think Bowser's getting a cold, for real this time.